Hi there, this is Luca with Native Video. And as I walked to the office this morning, I'm thinking about a new client. We will launch them live this week. And last week I was having a conversation with their VP of Sales and Business Development, and he shared with me his very simple and straightforward recipe for success in business development. He said he wants his team to do the basics right and do one thing great. This one thing will allow them to stand out and be remembered. I mean, this seems to be applying to many different roles, but it's particularly relevant for business development, especially thinking about the fact that they want to use video messaging as a way to create the first connections with their prospect or with people that come to their website to download a resource or people that they meet at an event. We have stats showing that using a video in an email increases the click-through rate by 300%. And even just using the word video in the subject of an email will increase the likelihood of opening that email by 19%. So video works especially for first connection, especially for business development. So if you want to try and apply this very simple and straightforward recipe for doing the basics right, and the one thing great, and that one thing is video messaging, get in touch with us. We are Native Video, and we enable businesses and people connect in a whole new way through video.